Okay, part 3 of the first nature walk. We left off with Kiki's ashes and a rat tunnel. And this is a very beautiful part of the path. You don't really find much people on this walk. I'm not recommending it to you because you probably don't live anywhere near to me. I'm just saying, looking out for nature. Oh, this bit's really beautiful. It's nice. At my school, which I'm not going to tell you which school I'm at for privacy reasons, we have a den called Trino. You probably won't care about it. It's on 14 digital games, and we have, I think, something like 10 civilizations. Should we go up there, or should we go down there? Right. Okay. Mum, put a leaf in one hand and put a stick in the other hand. And now put them two behind your back. Right. Okay. Now, one of your hands, get out. If I'm right, then we go down that way. Whatever it is. If I'm wrong, we go down that way. Yeah. Which one should I pick up? Left. Yay. Well, that probably took way too long than it should have. Oh god. We have an enemy. Now that's a lovely view. And another lovely view coming up in a bit. Recently, massive fire all along over there. And I think maybe, I don't think anybody died, but I think something like 10 people got badly injured or something. It wasn't on the news, sadly. I think it should have been. But it was all over there. We just came home one day and we saw this massive ash cloud. We were like, yeah, let's drive over there. And then we saw the fire. Yeah. Honestly, when you adopt an animal, I adopted a mule leopard. I did not get the teddy, and right now it's probably £200 adopted. I should probably not be stepping on this. This is not my thing. Right, I'm going to go back to running. And then It's a kite. We see kites quite often. But maybe kites once every 2-3 days, probably. The kites look like our guinea pigs, which is quite concerning. If you have watched my guinea pig video, I'm soon going to upload another one. And make sure to leave a like, and I don't really mind about subscribing really. So, you know, like all the YouTubers, they just, you know, want you to subscribe, like and subscribe. I'm kind of more on the conservation. I still love you to, I would still love you to adopt an animal or donate some money. I mean, sure, Mr. Beast, which I watch him a lot, you know, please subscribe to him. He helps homeless people, he plants loads of trees. Sure, yeah, but not much YouTubers do much for the environment. I think most people should. It doesn't really matter. Huh? Okay. I think this might be the end of this part. Make sure to leave a like and maybe subscribe, and make sure to adopt an animal or donate, please. Bye.